In today's video, we will talk about if Alienward's price can even reach $1 now that it even goes lower after its recent price hike. So let's jump forward into this topic here. As you can see here, last May, there is a significant upside of Alienward's price here, which it peaked for almost zero point 0.8, and that is the first time since we've seen it for the past uh, one month. And it's really cool to see this kind of game to being pumped out as well after a recent bullish cycle. And we will talk about what is the current situation of Alienward's price. Okay, so let's talk about what's happening inside the Alienwords. There's a lot of bots that are trying to make money from Alienwords, trying to abuse the game. There's a lot of fake. There's a lot of people that has a multiple accounts as well. So that's the number one factor. That is the reason why the inflation of Alienwords is so high. Number two is the other parts like Thunderdome, the Planet Binance stuff, and other things are not yet launched yet. So this is the key drivers of the game in Alien Worlds. That is why it is not yet pumping right now. And as you can see here, the more users, then more miners, more players playing this game, and of course, lesser mine. You will you will get lesser TLM as it progress, and that is the main reason on that one. Okay. However, as you can see here, it spikes for more than $5.8 right here. Even if you go into the other exchanges stuff, I think it is this almost the same. It is almost the same on that one. So the thing here is, if this kind of thing happens, okay, most likely $1 is really easy because it didn't even reach the 50%. That is the most basic technical analysis. In this big candlestick right here, $1 or $2 is really easy. Okay, as long as they're doing their job really well and they are really putting up these efforts that uh, like the players are expecting to happen in the future. So in the long term run, $1 is really easy to happen. Okay. However, in the short term, probably we can see a pretty much downside portion over here because of as well, um, as you can see here, there is a pattern right here. It is on the pattern right here that it is still in a bullish cycle. So if this one actually just if it didn't uh, bring up an M line over here, if it didn't put us on this kind of position, probably we will see alien words reach around I don't know, $1, 1.5. And as of now, since as you can see here, okay, this alien words pump right here, okay, it just happened for like one day. So it goes up by around 100% in just a day. So for this one to go up by 100% is really easy, and I would recommend that if you are starting to play, this is the best time as well, because if you will go here into the atomic hub, every alien world's items are pretty much cheap right now, rather than its current price last May 3. So as you can see here, exo gloves is around $6. That's the last time that I've seen it. It's around $6. However, when it's on its recent price hike, every exo gloves is cost around $16. So just imagine the difference, okay? So even if you just like buy this kind of items, even if you don't trade TLM or stuff, just wait for the price to go up. Just wait for TLM to go up, and you will actually make really big amount of money on this one. So that is it for this time, guys. I hope you like this content that I've made for you, and please, if you like my channel, please do subscribe as well. Of course, I'm really a really big fan of Alien Worlds. I'm all into on staking. I'm all into Planet Binance and stuff. So I'm going to create more guides for you guys in the future. So see you and peace out.